We're here in the sunshine at Henfield Hall for the first exhibition of the season. The shows are a nice environment. You get to meet all the makers 6 times a year. It's a good opportunity to buy something at the maker's price without having to pay commission, and something you can cherish for the rest of your life.
Well, I love coming to Guild shows because everything's so individual. People make such a wide array of beautiful things, and they put so much love and time and care into what they make. And look at, I mean, who couldn't like that hat? It's absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful.
The Guild have got some amazing artists. I walk around and I'm amazed at some of the stuff that's pushed out, and I'm amazed that I'm allowed to be part of it, actually. And meeting people and talking to people about what I've been doing is, even if they don't buy, it's quite rewarding.
There's always so much to see, and it's always so beautifully made, and everything so perfect. Just got this lovely dragonfly here, steel and brass, and he'll go in the garden, and everything's so beautifully made and so much choice, and everything's so skillfully done. It's just incredible to see. So really love it.
About the Guild shows is everyone is a community within the Guild. It's lovely to speak to wonderful new people coming to the Guild shows and spreading the word on handmade, contemporary and traditional crafts in Sussex.